like one of the other videos before, because we're going to be going sunflower picking, and we're going to be going to feed the animals. The reason I'm looking over there is because I can see a little farm dog just scurrying around. You have nothing to talk. Hi. I'm going to see the farm dog. I'm waiting outside. I saw.
What have you got? Oh, nice.
I got you.
Yeah. Well, they're good, aren't they? Nice.
Huh?
So they're nice. You've had them before, haven't you?
Oh, here we go.
It's not as good as the last few years we've been, but still looks right, doesn't it? SpongeBob! Ay, 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 ay.
Somebody dumped her as a puppy over in one of the fields down there. Somebody found her and brought her up here thinking it was a dog that had escaped from the farm. Nobody ever claimed her. So she lives here and she's about 2. So she's a bit excitable, she is. And her name is Shadow.
Shadow.
Oh, look at this one, you got jeans on. So I said, oh, I'll tell Elliot because he was interested to know. I can see sunflower over there. Look, they're flowered. Can you see?
I know what song you're singing.
What?
Go make your own path.
You can go your
Yeah.
own way. See right over there?
Song for every occasion, my wife. It looks like they're just like corn. It has the juice, it has the juice. I don't know the rest. Few sunflowers over there, they're starting to bloom. Over there, look. But there. Right in front of you. Yeah. Yeah, all the weeds and everything have gone. We're going to try that one away. We're going to try and grow our own sunflower. Got quite a few on there, quite a few buds. So what you call them, buds? It's like a bit like a drug dealer or something.
Right, Ellie's going to try and pull it up from the roots like I've done that. Got it?
No.
I'll come around, hang on.
He's not as strong as you.
I'll come around.
You're not as strong as you used to be.
I'm not as strong as I used to be.
Oh, well done. You don't need the mud, you just need the weeds and the roots.
Sandy took a bit of the mud as well, I think. So
She said to plant them though, didn't she?
plant them, yeah. So you put this.
No, like plant pots.
You put these straight in the garden.
Well, we'll try it anyway, can't we? It only costs, what,
It's not a shit.
quid, couple of quid? There's a baby one. They are a bit prickly actually. God, we're going to be having a garden full of sunflowers now. Huh? Well, you picked a little baby one, did you? Is it because you're a little baby? That's cute, isn't it? Can't do it, can he? Oh, done it. Well done. It's got the biggest mound of mud on it of all. Don't shake it too much. You might not. Elliot, careful, because you might knock the head off the sunflower. Where you, Alan Titchmarsh?
It's got to be cool.
Yeah.
See?
Huh?
Stuff that's coming out. That looks like the top of a corn pot.
Yeah. So it wasn't actually corn, it was maize.
Stuck in my gibbet.
Oh, the goat whisperer's back.
You want to chase me?
Crumbs, Elliot. Donkey. Check you out, Aid.
Huh?
Check you out.
It's basically like grass that's been cut and then it's dried. Oh, they do like that, don't they?
Make some friends.
No, they're gorgeous, aren't they?
We're not having a goat, mind. It's bad enough you're asking. Elliot asking for a dog. You asking for a guinea pig.
Or a hamster. I'm willing to compromise.
Nice. Recommend it to a friend. If you don't drop the lid on the floor. What have you got, eh? Bubble gum.
Yeah, you always need bubble gum. Can I try your milk cake?
You want to?
After I bend.
Pistachio.
Is it okay if I just like bend the straw so I can put the lid on?
No spare straw there anyway. Oh, that was mine.
It's tasty.
Oh, do you want one? Sorry.
Tasty.
Aidan went for bubblegum, that's his favourite.
Oh, go on.
I do actually think it was yours.
Oh, just by me, I was wondering whether
Oh,
you
Daddy
noticed
thought I
it.
bought him a flapjack.
I always use bubble gum.
You always choose bubblegum.
Aidan he lost his muffin. What's he got for a cherry bakewell?
Cherry muffin, yeah. It's pink. It's delicious.
No, go behind you. Keep behind you. Keep.
And you went for a can.
My brother never eat oatmeal, but I love it.
Flapjacks are nice, they don't taste the same as oatmeal
Where
though.
did sheep go from there?
The sheep are in the field. Can you see him?
Where's the field?
Can't beat the pistachio milkshake.
Dad, you want to try mine, Dad?
What have you got?
Chocolate. Why is that easy? Why is it
Evie who?
easy? Easy.
Oh, the dog.
Nice. I think it was my friend Evie.
And I did. Can I try the chocolates a little bit?
Oh, I think I'll go for that next time. Oh, it's Cocker Spaniel.
Right, so we've had our milkshakes, thoroughly enjoyed them. Apart from Hammy, she had a can of Coke Zero.
I've had enough sugar for today.
I haven't, not yet. We came down here with 2 boys and we've came back with 2 turtles. And what's that mean? I like turtles. Is that it? That kid that goes, I like turtles in the video interview.
I do.
You eat turtles?
Heroes in a half shell. Turtle power.
So, hope you like the video. Thanks for watching, guys. We love coming up here. You'll probably see plenty more videos of it. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you on the next one.